This is a quick tutorial on how to download and install the bundled software that comes with the 2015 Wacom Intuos tablet. So I'm at the Wacom.com website on the Getting Started Intuos page, and this is a page that will show you how to get started with your tablet. You can learn more about it, or you can download your driver, and you can even register your tablet to download the bundled software. And down here it shows you which software comes with which tablet. So I have the Intuos Art. That means that I can download Corel Painter Essentials. So first of all, I'll want to download and install my driver. And then once that's installed, then I can register my tablet and download my software. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this button to register and redeem my offers. If you're outside of the United States, Canada, and Latin America, you'll want to select the appropriate region from the menu to the left. So we'll go to Select Region. And if you're in Europe, you'll want to go to the Europe website, China, Japan, Asia Pacific, and so on. If it's your first time registering, you'll want to click the green button here for register. Or if you've registered a tablet in the past with Wacom, you can just sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Register a New Product. And it's asking, does your product come with a software bundle download key? And mine does. You can locate that under the very first flap that you open on your tablet box. So I'm going to go ahead and click Yes. And then once you've entered your code, click Continue. Again, make sure you have the correct region selected when you're entering this code. And then you'll need to enter your purchase date. If you don't know for sure, you can just guess. And then you'll need to enter the serial number, which is located on the back of your tablet itself. There's a little panel on the back at the top that you slide up, and underneath that little panel, there's a little barcode and it shows your serial number. Once you've entered your serial number, you can click Continue, and then enter your email address, and then a password, and then you can enter the rest of your information. If you'd like to get emails and information about training, contests, and other things, you can check this box, and then you can click Continue when you're done. Next, it's going to ask which operating system you're using. So I'm using Windows. I'm going to select Windows, and this is showing me the current list of what's offered. Now, this may change depending on how long this video is up on YouTube. Occasionally, they change out their offers, but currently, I can get Corel Painter Essentials. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that to select it, and then I'll click Continue down here at the bottom. Next, I'll click Confirm, and now it's showing me that I can download this. It also shows me my license key for the software. You'll want to make sure that you write this license key down or save it somewhere on your computer. It's noting that we can only try to download this twice, and that after downloading, we want to look in our email for a set of software keys. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Download, and then Save. I'm going to make sure I save that somewhere I can find it, like my desktop. And it'll take a little while to download. Make sure that it downloads all the way before you try to open this zip file. So while my file's downloading, I'm also going to check my email for my reply from Wacom that has my serial number. I'm going to make sure that I save this email. And make sure not to share your serial number with anybody else, because this is your unique code for that software. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and copy it. And I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to right-click on that folder, and I'm going to choose Extract All. I'm going to go ahead and extract it to the desktop. Now we have a second folder that we can open here, and this has the installer for Corel Painter Essentials. Corel Painter Essentials, by the way, is the light version of Corel Painter. If you downloaded a different application, you might have a different installer. Either way, you'll want to double-click on that installer, install the application, and then enter your serial number to activate it. Alright, so there you go. You now should be able to start creating art with your digital painting application. If you found this information helpful, take a quick second to like this video. And if you're interested in learning how to paint with your tablet, subscribe to my channel now to get access to a ton of videos about digital painting. And if you're interested in a free landscape painting course, you can take my landscape painting crash course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.